Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the essentials. You're signed into the same Apple ID on both phones, and both are on reliable Wi-Fi. Then enable iCloud photos so images sync to iCloud, and turn on iCloud backup so a full snapshot is saved. Once done, tap Backup Now on the old iPhone to create the latest copy. This ensures new photos and metadata transfer. Make sure the backup finishes before moving forward because a partial backup can miss recent shots. Next, you choose Quick Start if both devices run iOS. Place them near each other, authenticate with your old device, and follow the animated prompts to transfer data directly. Alternatively, during new iPhone setup, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and pick the recent backup you made. This downloads apps, settings, and the iCloud photo pointers. Once transfers begin, keep the phone on Wi-Fi and plugged in, and watch photos and settings for progress, so you know when the photo database is rebuilding. To finish, let the new iPhone complete photo downloads. Thumbnails appear first, then full res files if you choose Download and keep originals. You should verify albums, live photos, and videos match the old device because some large files download more slowly. If items are missing, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, toggle iCloud photos, or, if needed, erase and restore again from the iCloud backup to force a fresh sync. This resolves most sync inconsistencies and ensures your library is intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.